Microfinance is critical in India. We are able to reach rural places where the big banks cannot reach. We are empowering women who make their lives better by doing small businesses or becoming micro entrepreneurs and helping the family grow better. Madura's mission is enabling productive and efficient capital in rural India for inclusive socio-economic development. We primarily lend microcredit to rural women as part of the self-help groups, and so far we have lent more than 1.2 million customers across India in around 30,000 villages in India. All these customers are in the rural areas, so we need to make sure that we have the technology to reach out to them at the point of their need.
Data is very important to Madura because we try and use it at every step where we need to take certain decisions. For example, it could be on anything from which customers you can lend more to, or who is a more profitable customer, who is not. Are there areas that are more high risk? So therefore, it is critical to our business really.
It doesn't make business sense for us to have a data center run on our own because our core expertise is in the financial services business and we wanted to focus on that. And the way that Madura was scaling up, it was impossible for us, and that is when we moved into AWS. So if we have to, let us say, go and add additional servers to meet those growing needs in our business expansion, it is going to take anywhere from 2 to 3 months for us to scale up. Whereas in AWS, it takes few hours for us. So typically, if we had to go in for a hosted data center or a managed data center elsewhere, it would have cost us at least twice what we are spending.
One of the things that we want to develop here at Madura is this whole concept of information efficiency in terms of the right data at the right time to make the right decisions. So we need to be able to access this information at any time we want, which is where we've started using Redshift a lot. So that really is an advantage for us because we are able to link across data sets, we're able to manipulate it in whichever manner that we require to be able to answer the business questions that exist.
Being on AWS platform, we are able to manage the entire infrastructure stack in-house with our team. And the flexibility that AWS gives us in terms of switching on, switching off servers when we don't need, and the flexibility with our test platforms has given us a lot of economies of scale, the way that we are able to use AWS for our infrastructure services. We have Android-based mobile applications, then we have the core loan processing system, and then we have the financials at the back end, which is on Oracle platform.
So at Madura, we've grown over the last 3-4 years at 50% year on year. And that has been because of the capability that we have and the efficiencies that we have in terms of quickly turning around and accessing the information that we require and scaling up processes and technology. So we hope to see that continue year on year going forward as well.
It's really heartwarming to see that microfinance has changed their lives for better. One person coming and telling that she runs a beauty parlor and we have made her life better by giving these loans and making her business grow that bit. That's the satisfaction that we get on the ground, and the entire value chain has made a difference in our life.